Galing ah. Okay. Oh, F is what? Listen. Fish. Okay. Flower. Pork. Yeah. Wow, very good.
You're so
Awesome. Oh, H daw, H.
Can be done in 3 simple steps. Follow me.
Listen.
Draw a straight line down. Next, do another straight line down at the opposite side. And to finish, draw a line across in the middle.
Wow, very good. Oh, listen. Follow to teacher. H is for look.
H is for
Oh, heart daw.
You're brilliant.
Have you too?
And the next letter, are you able to guess it?
Yes. Oh, next na. Listen, look and listen first. Look. Oh, wait. Listen first. Look and listen to teacher. Wait, look. Watch muna kayo, teacher. Wait.
Draw another curved line to the bottom and curve up. That's a fun
Yan,
one.
very good.
Now it's time for our
You are very good. Okay, S for look. S is for scissor. Yeah. Sheep. Oh, sheep. Look. Oh, erase na for the next letter.
Fantastic.
Okay, wait. Watch and listen muna, kay teacher. Hindi porke alam mo. Yan. Oh, wait. Watch and listen muna.
From the top, draw a straight line down.
T, very good.
Easy, right?
Oh, T is for look. T is for turtle. Sabi turtle daw, walang so. Tree. Oh, watch and listen.
The line. Draw a slant line up. Then draw a line down to the bottom. Next, draw a curved line around the bottom. Then from the bottom, draw another curved line around the upper.
Small yan ah. Okay, very good.
Wow, you did it!
Very good.